Hello guys, Craig from fixitfallows here, and I'm in the cab. I'm in my TXE, and you've probably got the same problem as me. Either it's fallen, or because of a windscreen change, the cover that goes around these radar sensors and whatever sensors these are here behind your mirror keeps falling down. Okay, and the reason for that is the tabs here and here get broken when the screen gets replaced. So I'm going to fix it. Right, so this is the cover that you're all familiar with that goes behind your rear view mirror on your windscreen. So the rear view mirror comes through there, and this is the inside of it. Okay, so there are clips here, here, here and here. Now the ones at the top, they're locating clips. Okay, they don't tend to break. Okay, they slot up into something. Okay, and it's these bottom ones here and here that seem to break. Okay, so it's a two-part clip. You've got a bottom bit with a ridge in it. Okay, so the prong from the windscreen goes into there, clips in, and then there's a second part of the clip above that kind of acts as the pressure bit and locks on. Well, as you can see, something has snapped away there and also snapped away there, so that these no longer actually lock on, as it were. So what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to replace these bits of plastic mouldings, these protrusions here and here, with my own design. Okay, so it'll be over to the CAD package where I can kind of try and create my idea and see what we can do. Right, okay, so this is the clip I've designed. This is what I call the short version. There is a second clip that's slightly taller, and that's just because of the way the actual original windscreen cover is designed, so I need two different heights. But yeah, that's it, and you can see if I rotate it around, you can see it's like a three-dimensional object. Yeah, so what I now need to do is to send that off to the 3D printer and actually see what it's like in its physical reality. So here we are, the printer is whirring away. It's doing both the tall and the short version at the same time, and that might take, I don't know, an hour, something like that, and then we'll see what we actually get. And there we go, the piece is now finished. So there it is. We can now, or rather there they are, we can now break them off. 1, 2. Okay, so there's the short bit and there's the tall bit. First thing first, I'm going to go out to the vehicle and make sure that the actual clip part of these work in practice before I go to the trouble of fitting them onto that rear cover. Right, so here we are in the cab. We've got our two clips. We are going to attempt to connect the clips to the windscreen. So let's take this one. There's the prong there. Let's offer it on. Yep, clips on nicely. Nice firm attachment. Take the other one, go around to the other side, to the other prong there. Yep, clips on well. So let's take that back off. Take that one off. Now, all that remains to be doing is to connect these to the back of the actual cover and then see whether it all works properly, all connected up and connects back up to there. Right, so here we are with the cover, and these are the clips. Now the clips need to go one there and one there. So effectively, I'll show you at the side, it clips over that moulding like that, but it will do it on the front. Okay, so that's the concept, but do it there. But to get it to go there, we just got to shave off these broken mouldings. So to do that, I'm going to use this scalpel. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to heat this up, and that will slice them off nicely. So just bear with me a second. So that's that bit off. And then there's that bit off. So out of the two sides, this bit here is taller than this bit, hence I call this the tool side, so it needs the tool clip, and then the tool clip just slides over like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean up the front of this a little bit more, because there's just a few little rough edges on there. I've just got some sandpaper. And then the clip, as I say, just goes on like that, positioning it kind of in as much as in the middle as possible, and then we're going to drill a little hole through there, just a 2mm hole, and then we'll put a screw through. We're going to take a 2mm drill bit and guide through the hole on the front of the clip and just drill through like so. And then we take our screw, put it in the hole and screw it in. So this just attaches the clip to the sensor cover. Okay, now we've just got to do the same to the other side. So there we go, there are our new clips attached. Now let's go and try it in the cab. Right, okay, so let's offer up our cover. So that goes up like so. Let's get those top clips in like that. This side's done. And there we are, connected. Right, now just to put this clip back in. Put it up around like that. Push it up from the bottom. There, all done. So there we go, guys, there is the sensor cover behind your rearview mirror on a LEVC TXE, or probably even the vans as well. The clips can be fixed. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description when I actually put these clips up on eBay. So if you want these clips, you can get them on eBay. You know, they're not going to be very expensive. Beats paying the £55 plus whatever for the new cover. And so if you've got the same problem, hopefully this will get you out of trouble. So as ever, thanks for watching, guys. Please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos, and I shall see you very soon. Cheers, bye bye.